Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We want to show our presentation. And Group 4 are Nabila Nurpajiri Maharani, Amelia Mustikaila, Putri Nur Maulida, and the last Bagas Effendi Wibowo. Okay, next. Our article is effective variables and willingness to communicate of EFL learners in class, out of class, and digital context. The aims of this article was to explore the relationship between effective variable, second language self-confidence, second language anxiety, second language motivation, and grade, and willingness to communicate in class, out of class, and digital context. And the variable of this article is willingness to communicate of EFL learners, or WTC, in class, out of class, and digital context. Okay, for the next is Nabila.
Next is research question. In this article, there are two research questions. First is, to what extent do affective variables correlate to EFL students' L2 willingness to communicate in class, out of class, and digital context? Second, what affective variable are significant predictors of EFL students' L2 willingness to communicate in class, out of class, and digital context? The method are using in this article is quantitative design with the participant of 261 Taiwanese EFL undergraduate students. And for instrument data to collecting the data, the article use questionnaire consists of 3 parts. First is participants were asked to respond to 21 items for affective variables, L2 self-confidence, 6 items, L2 anxiety, 6 items, L2 motivation, 4 items, and grit, 5 items. In the second part, 12 items for the L2 willingness to communicate and were employed to measure EFL students' L2 willingness to communicate in class, 4 items, out of class, 4 items, and digital context. And the last part was designed to elicit students' demographic data such as gender, academic year, length of time studying English, and overseas experience. Next is Putri Nur Maulida.
The findings: students with higher level of grit and L2 confidence have higher L2 willingness to communicate in all 3 communicative settings. It suggests that 1. If EFL students remain steadfast and persistent in learning and using English despite sick day, and 2. If they are confident about communicating in English, they tend to integrate English to communicate in both digital and offline settings. The last, lack of auto anxiety was a significant predictor of student L2 willingness to communicate in non-digital environment or in class and out-class context, but not in the digital setting. This suggests that contemporary EFL students may feel more comfortable with digital methods of communicating that conventional environment may provide social support and institutional psychological benefits, which potentially contribute to creating less L2 anxiety provoking environment for EFL students. The next is Bagas Effendi Wibowo.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Putri. The last is hypothesis. The study examined the relationship between four affective variables and second language WTC in class, out of class, and digital content among Taiwanese EVL students. Two major results were identified. First, grit and second language self-confidence were significant predictor of student second language WTC in all three settings: inside, outside the classroom, and digital. Second, a lack of second language anxiety was a significant predictor of student second language WTC in non-digital environment or in class and out class context, but not in the digital setting. These results suggest that affective variables seem to play a critical role in facilitating EVL learners WTC, but each affective variable, depending on a given second language communication context, may play a different role in influencing EVL learners WTC. The conclusion is the first, grit and self-confident second language. The second is lack of second language anxiety, and the result. This result is play important role communication context second language in pursuit WTC on study EVL. Maybe just it for me. Thank you. And we are wassalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.